This is the structure of decorator pattern. We will see how this is implemented in Python source. Here is the class component. It has method operation. This method must be defined in subclass. Otherwise, if it is used, then it will throw error. Here is the subclass concrete component derived from component. Here it implements the method operation. Inside this, it does the operation on concrete component. Here it is just displaying this statement. Here is the class decorator derived from component. This is the constructor of decorator. It has parameter obj. Inside this, it sets the instance variable comp with this parameter obj. Here it implements the method operation. Inside this, it calls the method operation of instance variable comp, which will be pointing to concrete component or decorator component. Here is the subclass concrete decorator A derived from decorator. Here is the constructor of concrete decorator A. It has parameter obj. Inside this, it calls the constructor of decorator and it passes the obj as parameter. Then it sets the value none to instance variable added state. Here it implements the method operation. Inside this, it calls the method operation of decorator. Then it does the operation on concrete decorator A. Here it is assigning the value 1 to instance variable added state, and then it is displaying the value of added state. Here is the subclass concrete decorator B derived from decorator. This is the constructor of concrete decorator B. It has parameter obj. Inside this, it is calling the constructor of decorator and obj is passed as parameter. And here it implements the method operation. Inside this, it calls the method operation of decorator and here it does the operation for concrete decorator B. And here it is calling the method added behavior of self, which is pointing to concrete decorator B object. So it will come here. Here is the method added behavior and inside this it does the operation for added feature for the concrete component. So we can see concrete decorator A and concrete decorator B have operations to provide added feature for the concrete component. Okay, we will see how all these classes are used. So here we are creating concrete component instance object. So this is the concrete component class and here we are creating concrete decorator B instance object where we are passing concrete component as parameter. So it will come here. Here obj is the parameter. Obj is concrete component instance object and here we are calling the constructor of decorator where we are passing the obj as parameter, which is concrete component instance object. So it will come here and it will set the instance variable comp of decorator with concrete component instance object. Okay. Then here we are creating concrete decorator A instance object, and concrete decorator B instance object is passed as parameter. So it will come here, and here it is calling the decorator constructor, and where this concrete decorator B instance object is passed as parameter. So here the instance variable comp is set with concrete decorator B instance object, and then we are setting the value none to instance variable added state. Okay, here we are calling the method operation. So it will go to concrete decorator A operation. So it will come here. It will call the method operation of decorator. So it will come here, and here it is calling the method operation of comp. So in case of concrete decorator A, comp is pointing to concrete decorator B object. So it will go to concrete decorator B operation. So it will come here, and then it will call the method operation of decorator. So then it will come here, it will display this again, and then it will call the method operation of comp, and for concrete decorator B, comp is pointing to concrete component instance object. So it will come here, and it will do the operation for concrete component. Here it will just display this statement. Then it will come back to concrete decorator B operation, and then it will display this. It will do the operation for concrete decorator B, and then it will call the method added behavior. So it will come here, and it will display this. Then it will return back to concrete decorator A operation. So added state will be set with value 1, then it will display this statement, and then it will display the value of added state. Okay, we will run this program and we will see the output. You can see when the method operation is called, it goes to concrete decorator A operation, comes here, it calls the decorator operation. So it comes here and it displays this, and then it calls the method operation of comp, which is pointing to concrete decorator B. So it will go to concrete decorator B operation, it will come here, and it will call the method operation of decorator. So it will come here, it will display this again, then it will call the method operation of comp, which is pointing to concrete component object. So it will come here and it will display this, and then it will go back to concrete decorator B, and it displays this concrete decorator B operation. Then it calls the method added behavior. So it comes here and it displays this. Then it will go back to concrete decorator A operation. So here it displays this concrete decorator A operation, and then concrete decorator A added state is 1. So we can see here concrete decorator A and B are used for providing the added feature for the object, which is concrete component.